Hi everyone, welcome to level 7 of Business Analyst crash course. In this level, we focus on APIs, how systems talk to each other. As a business analyst, you don't need to code APIs, but you must clearly understand how data moves between systems. Okay. Most applications, why APIs matter? So most applications today don't work alone. The UI talks to backend using API, and backend system talks to other systems using APIs. Okay, so basically API is the communication method. So if an API fails or misunderstood, the entire flow breaks. Right? So that's why API understanding is critical. BA skills. Worksheet scenario, so we can go with the same application we are using. So here, a loan application APIs. So you can identify what data goes into the API, what comes out, and what happens when something goes wrong. Okay. So request, response, and failure scenarios. Okay. Sample flow. UI send loan details to API. API validates data. API saves the data to database. API returns response to UI. Okay. API methods. I think I didn't include API method. Let me inside duplicate slide here. API methods. So you will learn get API and post, and you will put and delete. Okay, so these are the method you will learn. We are focused on understanding the purpose, not writing code again. So we'll test this one, how data is record is inserted, how the data is updated, and how the data is deleted. Okay, so get means select retrieve, post mean you are creating new, put mean you are updating, and delete mean you are removing or dropping. Okay. Sample response handling. A good API always return a clear response, like something application ID generated, status submit, success response. Error responses on failure, it return meaningful error message, defining this clearly avoid confusion for developers and testers. Missing mandatory fields, invalid load amount, for example. Okay. So the key lesson here, API are the bridge between systems. As a BA, your job is to define behavior, inputs, outputs, error handling. Clear API requirements reduce work and integration failures. So you know what I'm talking about by this level, error handling or inputs. Okay. Next step is complete the worksheet and taking the test. If you pass, you'll go to the next level, which is microservice architecture. Okay, I'll see you in the next demo video.